Imagine crisp 1080p Full HD visuals, 15,000 lumens of vibrant brightness, and 360-degree immersive sound, all in the palm of your hands. The TOPTRO TR23 isn't just a projector, it's your ticket to a cinema-quality experience, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're gaming on your PS5, streaming your favorite shows, or hosting an outdoor movie night, this ultra-portable powerhouse delivers. With 5G Wi-Fi for seamless streaming, Bluetooth 5.2 for wireless audio, and electric focus plus 4D keystone correction, setup is a breeze. No more blurry or distorted images. Plus, its fully sealed dust-proof design, IP5X certified, ensures long-lasting clarity, while its custom-tuned stereo speakers bring theater-worthy sound. Compact yet mighty, the TR23 is perfect for homes, classrooms, or even backyard adventures. Ready to upgrade your viewing experience? Click the link and bring the magic of the big screen home today. Buy now and experience the difference. Key features of the TOPTRO TR23 projector. Stunning 1080p Full HD resolution with 15,000 lumens of brightness. The TR23 delivers 1920 1080 Full HD resolution with 15,000 lumens of brightness, ensuring vibrant, sharp images even in moderately lit rooms. With a 20,000 to 1:1 contrast ratio, colors appear rich and deep, making movies, games, and presentations look incredibly lifelike. Zoom function, 100% to 50%, adjusts screen size without moving the projector, ideal for ceiling-mounted setups. Supports up to 139-inch screen, perfect for immersive movie nights or gaming sessions. Electric focus and 4D 4P keystone correction. Gone are the days of manual focus struggles. The TR23 features one-touch electric focus, allowing you to sharpen the image instantly. Additionally, the 4D 4P keystone correction lets you adjust all four corners of the screen remotely, ensuring a perfectly rectangular image even when projecting at an angle. Fully sealed dust-proof design, IP5X certified. Dust is a common enemy to projectors, causing yellowing, black spots, and reduced brightness. The TR23's fully sealed optical engine prevents dust buildup, ensuring long-lasting performance. It also operates quietly, making it ideal for home theaters. Ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. 5G Wi-Fi, stream movies without buffering, thanks to a high-speed 5G chip that minimizes interference. Bluetooth 5.2, connect wireless headphones, speakers, or soundbars effortlessly. Multiple ports, HDMI, USB, and 3.5mm audio jack for versatile connectivity. Works with iOS, Android, PS5, laptops, and more. Immersive 360-degree stereo sound. Unlike many projectors with weak built-in speakers, the TR23 boasts a custom-tuned dual speaker system with deep bass and clear highs. For an even better experience, pair it with a Bluetooth soundbar or headphones. Long-lasting and portable design. 150,000-hour LED lifespan. No frequent bulb replacements needed. Compact and lightweight, 6.18 inches by 5.19 inches by 6.88 inches, 4.4 pounds. Easy to carry for travel or outdoor use. Multiple mounting options, table, ceiling, wall, or floor. Performance and real-world use. Movie and streaming experience. Watching movies on the TR23 is a theater-like experience. The vivid colors and deep blacks make films look cinematic, and the 5G Wi-Fi ensures smooth streaming without lag. Whether you're using Netflix, Disney+, or YouTube, the image remains crisp. Gaming performance, PS5, Xbox, mobile gaming. Gamers will appreciate the low input lag and high brightness, making fast-paced games look smooth. The large screen, up to 139 inches, enhances immersion, especially for racing or action games. Outdoor and travel use. Thanks to its portability and high brightness, the TR23 works well outdoors. Set it up in your backyard for a movie night under the stars, or take it camping for entertainment on the go. Business and education use. Presentations. The sharp text and vibrant colors make it great for PowerPoint slides. Online classes. The large display helps students see content clearly. Pros and cons. Pros. Crisp, 1080p resolution with 15,000 lumens. Great for day and night use. Electric focus and 4D keystone correction for hassle-free setup. Dust-proof design, IP5X for long-lasting performance. 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless wireless streaming. Powerful built-in speakers with 360-degree surround sound. Portable and versatile. Works with phones, laptops, gaming consoles. Cons. Not native 4K, though 1080p is excellent for most users. Fan noise is present, though quieter than many budget projectors. Final verdict. Is the TOPTRO TR23 worth it? If you're looking for a high-quality portable projector that delivers bright, sharp images with easy setup, the TOPTRO TR23 is an excellent choice. It's perfect for home theaters, movies, TV shows, sports, gaming, outdoor movie nights, business presentations, and online classes. With its long lifespan, dust-proof design, and advanced connectivity, it's a great investment for anyone who wants a big screen experience anywhere.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.